Good afternoon, good evening, good night everybody. Hope you're having a great Thursday. It's day 18 and the weather's about 17 degrees outside. It's super nice, so I thought give these 20 minutes outside a hardening off. So I've just started putting them into trays. We'll pop them outside for 20 minutes. Just make sure they're alright and then bring them back in under the light. Gives us a chance to reorganise. I can clean the area up and get it all ready, mix them all up for them to when they come back in. So yeah, just 20 minutes out in the sun. It's been a bit of a crazy few hours, crazy 24 hours. I think our Lucy's back legs are gone. She's not able to pee by herself, which has been fine. I've just been holding her back legs up, but now her front legs go. So it's been up every half hour, just trying to get her to pee, and she just wouldn't. And then this morning I put her down in the towel after about 18 hours and she peed everywhere, which is marvellous. So that towel got washed, we got a fresh one in. She's as happy as could be. She's eating, drinking, but I don't know. You don't have to worry me, kid. So all I need to do is have a piddle and a poop. But hey, we'll keep popping outside and get another chance to go to the bathroom whilst we put these plants out in the sun. Let's do this. Okay. Everything's trayed and ready to go outside. Let's give them some natural sun. See how it goes. Alright, Lucy's enjoying the garden, aren't you, kid? So we've got them all outside now. They're getting some sun. Looks like they're enjoying it. So just 20 minutes to start with. We'll give them just 20 minutes and we'll put them back under the lights because we don't want to sun scald them. But let's give them the 20 and we'll be right back. Alright, they've had their 20 minutes. I think it's done them the world of good. That was quite the workout, bringing all these back up and down the stairs. Now I'm going to have to adjust them still. I've adjusted the light setup a little bit. It's missing these a little bit at the front. Not getting the best of that, but we can move. These lights are flexible. I can also switch the pots around. Yeah. Tomorrow the weather's supposed to be pretty wet and windy, so they'll be staying indoors under the light tomorrow. But we'll have an update for you. See how much that sun's changed them up, if anything at all. I'm sure it has. But either way, I want to thank you all for joining us today. Thank you so much for your viewing time. I really appreciate it. Miss Lucy really appreciates it. Any kid? Yeah. Take care of yourselves. Look after me, myself and I, because no one's going to throw your lifeline if you're drowning. You take care, and we'll see you all tomorrow.